Hey guys, Kaylee here, and today I'm dropping my voluminous, long-lasting blowout routine for you. I love blowouts, but always struggled with maintaining the look because my hair is thin and damaged, so it always went flat after a few hours. I like to do this routine on special occasions when I want that long-lasting movie star look. You want to start off with damp hair, so we can use the moisture from the roots to push them up when we blow dry. I'm using my unknot detangler to get rid of any knots before brushing to avoid damaging the hair, since it's most fragile when wet. You can find links to all the products used in this video in the description box down below. I like to use both of these volume sprays to spritz both products all over my roots. I used to go light with these because I was scared of the results looking greasy, but I've learned that it's actually better to be generous for this step to really get that lift. This blowout cream will help to defrizz and give me that movie star shine. It also has low to medium heat protection. I also like to add an extra layer of protection to my ends since they're damaged and blowouts can be harsh on the hair. Now I'm doing a rough blow dry with my hair upside down so that the volume spray activates and the roots dry upward for that lift. This next step is optional, but it's key to maintaining the volume and shape of the hairstyle all night long. I'll be using a dry texturizing spray to tease, but you can also use a dry shampoo or a hairspray. It just needs something for the tease to hold on to. And I'm doing the entire front section of my head. And then I'm doing the same to the crown of my head. I usually like to do 3 sections in this area. Now that we've established the volume for the hairstyle, it's time to focus on the shape and the texture. Today I'll be using my Velcro rollers, which I purchased from Amazon, and my blowout brush. This one is limited edition, but I will leave a link to another blowout brush I used from Amazon, which also works well. I like to use this purple one because it's silent and also comes with 3 different head sizes, so I can create different effects. For this middle section, I'm blowing out the hair and setting the rollers away from my face in a mohawk style. Be sure to only grab sections as big as your roller and to keep them on your roller at all times. A trick for this is to pinch the strand as you roll. Now that we have our roller mohawk, I like to section the sides into 2, side back and side front. Now I'm working on the side front section and curling the hair inward towards my face, and I'll be doing the same for the rest of my head. Make sure to only blow out the sections that aren't teased so we can maintain the volume that we just created. Leave the rollers in for a minimum of 30 minutes to let the curls set. I like to wait at least an hour. Don't forget to remove your clips before taking out the rollers. Before pulling, make sure that the roller isn't stuck to any outside strands or else you'll get a tangled mess. Next, I'm spraying on my Flexi Hold hairspray for a long-lasting hold. I like this stuff because it prevents my hair from feeling like a rock, but still maintains the shape. Then I'm using my soft bristled brush to smooth out the top and make sure that none of the tease is showing. Next, I'm using this Frizz Fix to smooth out any frizz and flyaways. A leave-in conditioner or serum would work well at this point too. The key is to apply very little product here because you don't want to weigh down all that volume that we just created. This next step is also optional, but I like to control my front baby hairs with this wax just to polish up the look. And now you're ready to go. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to let me know by giving me a thumbs up and tapping the subscribe button.